See now, next question in the word problems, that problem set second. See here, lesson second, that problem set, and that question number is 11. Question number is 11 of problem second 2. See now, what is question that Mukund possesses rupees 50 more than what Sagar possesses. The product of the amount they have is rupees 15,000. How much rupees that? 15,000. And we have to find out the amount each one has. See, very simple question. What say that Mukund possesses rupees 50 more than what Sagar has. We should say, let Sagar has rupees X. Therefore, Mukund has rupees. How much? Mukund possesses rupees 50 more than only 50 more. It is not that that this much time, etc. Not only 50. Only 50 more. No, it will be X plus 50 rupees. X plus 50. Sagar has rupees X. Mukund has rupees 50. The product of the amount 50,000. We can say simply that by given condition. By given condition, what will be X in bracket X plus 50, the product of their amount. The product of their amount is how much? 15,000. 15,000. Therefore, X square plus 50X is equal to 15,000. Therefore, answer coming X square plus 50X minus 15,000 is equal to 0. Now see here, there are two numbers whose subtraction 50, difference 50, multiplication 15,000. Take any two numbers whose subtraction 50. Simply 150. How much difference? 50. Now do product. 0, 0, 0. 5 on the 5. 5,000 coming. But here is 15,000. Increase number. Take directly 100 and 150. 0, 0, 0. 15,000 came answer. 150 means 150 and 100. Okay. Then answer will be X square plus 150X minus 100X minus 15,000 equal to 0. This plus, this minus, because we want answer as plus 50. Okay. X common in bracket X plus 150 minus 100 common. X double minus plus double 0 gone. 150 only coming equal to 0. Then what answer coming now? Answer X plus 150 other bracket X minus 100 equal to 0. Therefore, we can say now X plus 150 equal to 0 or X minus 100 equal to 0. Therefore, X is equal to minus 150 or X equal to 100. X coming 100 or X coming 150. But what we can say that X is amount. X is amount cannot be negative. Okay. Cannot be negative. Okay. Therefore, X don't take minus 150. X will be 100. Now, what is X now? Mukund has rupees 50 more than Sagar's amount. Okay. Therefore, Sagar's amount equal to X means rupees 100 and Mukund's amount equal to X plus 50 rupees more means 100 plus 50. Answer coming 150 rupees 150. Okay, rupees 150. Mukund has 50 rupees more than Sagar. Sagar has 100, 50 rupees more, and multiplication will be simply 15,000 coming. Okay.